Hey Windows 11 users! Struggling with the "you must install .NET Desktop Runtime" error? Stick around, because in today's quick guide, we've got the keywords to fix this hiccup in no time. Let's dive in and get your applications running seamlessly. Open your browser, and in the video description, you'll find a link. Copy that link, paste it into your browser, and hit enter. On the website, look for "Click here to download manually." Click on it. Then choose Save As. Pick a location and hit Save. Locate the saved file. Click on the folder icon. Double-click on the downloaded file and hit Run. Follow the installation prompts. Click Install. Confirm with Yes. And once done, click Close. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Control Panel. Open it up. Click on Programs, then Programs and Features. Look for Microsoft.NET Core Runtime. Right-click, choose Change, and then click on Repair. Confirm with Yes. And restart your system. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Press the Windows key plus R key, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. Click Disable All and hit Apply. Click OK, and then restart your system. This should help resolve the issue you've been facing. And there you have it, folks! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.